Hey guys, this is Eve with Scrapbooking with Me, and I wanted to show you a new collection that we just got in. This is Prima Spring Farmhouse. I love this paper pack. It has the gold foil in it, and we have this in the 12 by 12, 8 by 8, and 6 by 6. So I'm going to flip through here real quick and show you, and then I have something really exciting to tell you when I get through showing this, so don't leave. So you can see this is the first sheet. And then if you like gingham, and I think this is a gingham, look at that. That is so popular this year in all the different colors. We have so much new, exciting news coming today. It's just all I can do to contain myself. I'm so excited. Okay, this is the next one. You can cut these out and use them if you want to, or just use the sheet as is. And this is the back side, and I'm gonna have to flip this over because it's showing it upside down for some reason. Isn't that cute? It has the animals in it, but they're not so bold in your face that, you know, you can still use the paper, and just, it has lots of flowers and different things in it. And then look at this one. Is that not the cutest? Look at those little rabbits. They're hopping, and they've got the little flower. Let's see if I can hold it up a little bit. See, they've got the little flowers around their neck. Those are cute. This would be good for Easter projects. And then this is the back side of that. It's just a little dot formation. And then you've got more of the cards that you can cut out. All of the gold foiling in there. And then this is the back side. Let's turn it around this way. Some of them they got upside down and some right side up. I'm not sure why. I think they're trying to produce these so fast to get them out to everybody that some of them is upside down, some of them right side up. But it doesn't matter because, you know, when you're using it, you can use it either way. Look at that. Well, you can't use it either way, but you can take it out of the pad, and it's the right way. I can't even talk because I'm so excited. That is cute. And then you have this on the back side. More of the cutouts. This would be really good for a mini album because you have all of your little cutouts and everything that are already available. You wouldn't have to do a lot of making journaling spots. And then that one, I love that. Love that right there. Cute. When they put the gold foil on it, it's just something else. That's the back side. And I think that's the last one. So you get a paper pad with gold foil, 24 sheets. It looks like it's 6 double-sided designs, 4 of each sheet. So that is a good amount. And like I said, these are absolutely beautiful. I'm going to be using one of these to do a project next week, so watch out for that. Now, I'm going to let this lay here while I talk to you for just a minute. Maymay sent me a copy, just a little photocopy, of the stamp set that she did for our February kit. And oh my goodness is all I can say. You guys are going to be so blown away by this stamp set, just like I am. That the whole kit is worth it just to get this stamp set. It is absolutely unbelievable what she came up with. I would have never in a million years thought of doing what she did, but it goes perfectly with our kit, with our paper, all of our embellishments, everything. So we are excited about that. We've got in everything that we need for the February kit, so they could possibly go out a little bit early. I'm not sure. We're still packaging and that kind of thing. We've also already got in most of our product for our March kits. So if you are not signed up for the kits already, make sure that you sign up as soon as you can, because each month we order them a month ahead of time, and we order, you know, say 10 or 20 over what we've already sold. So if you don't get in on that 10 or 20, then you're going to miss, and you're going to have to wait till the next month. So make sure that you sign up now so that you can be in line for the March kit. This guarantees you a kit. The kits will go out on the 6th of the month. Like I said, I don't know if they'll go out a little early because I have some people coming in that will actually be shipping them. So just make sure that you sign up for the kits to get, like I said, if nothing else, to get Maymay stamp set. You are going to fall in love with it. It is not a stamp set that she has in her store. It is not a stamp set that is in her stamp club. This is something brand new that she has made just for our kits. Each month she will be making a new stamp set designed especially for our kits. So I was so excited. I just wanted to tell you guys this and to tell you to get on over there and sign up for those kits so that you'll be in line to get one. All right, guys, we will talk to you later. Thanks so much for watching, and the links will be below to everything. So we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.